Hello, and I am here to show off my science project. The title is The Effect of Mold on Bread. The question for my science experiment is which bread will mold the quickest? My literature review. www.sciencing.com showed me that homemade bread molds faster than store-bought bread. The store-bought bread uses preservatives to keep their bread from not molding quicker. The experimental information. My hypothesis: if I place different types of bread in a dark, moist area, then a honey wheat bread will have the most mold because the other breads are thicker than that slice of bread. My independent variable: different types of bread. My dependent variable: mold growth on bread. My constant: the different types of bread. The materials that I'm going to be using for this project: honey wheat bread, whole grain bread, and whole wheat bread. My procedures. Step 1. Grab different types of bread. Step 2. Put them in a Ziploc bag and wait for the bread to mold. Bonus: you do not have to do this, but you can spread water on all the different types of bread to help all the bread types so they can show results a little quicker. Here's my data and table graph. My data analysis. The data shows that whole grain, honey wheat, and whole wheat bread molding. The honey wheat bread molded the fastest and had the most mold. The whole grain showed the least amount of mold. My conclusion. In this experiment, I found out that my prediction was correct and the honey wheat bread molded the quickest. It also showed the mold growth out of all the other breads. The whole grain showed the least mold growth and was the last one to mold. My conclusion errors. My errors in this experiment was that I didn't start early. That's what caused my experiment to be late. If I did it over Thanksgiving break instead of winter break, then I most likely wouldn't be late.